So a couple of things that I've changed. One thing that I did do was we added another section to upload the full size picture. Previously, we had just a logo. Now you can upload a large professional photo and then your headshot, which is typically the same headshot from LinkedIn.
So is the headshot used for like the other quotes?
Yes, correct. For the quotes that you sent us. One of the things that I changed recently was I put 30 posts. So then that way we could generate like 1 month's worth of content right off the gate.
I love that.
And so, because I like to batch my stuff,
Yeah.
like I'm a batcher. Here's an example. I already have it on a screen of like 30 posts. So it did it instantly. So with the 30 post feature, now we can export all of the posts. So now you will literally have a doc file with post 1, post 2, post 3, so that you can just copy and paste it on LinkedIn and like start scheduling the post out instantly.
That's excellent.
And the other thing that I did for you, you can also download all the visuals through a zip file and have them. Now, when you download them, it randomizes. You can see here the 30 posts.
Okay.
So it start randomizing the posts based on all the different styles.
Okay. Oh, I like that.
Yeah. So those are some of the new styles that we've implemented thanks to you. And again, this is a new feature that I just did recently. If we did it one by one, it works fine. So for example, let's go to create visual. So we got the classic quote, which is basically your company's information. So it creates a graphic with your company's name on it that complements the hook. Okay. And then let's go to, so create visual. We can do a tweet quote. We can pick between white, gray, and black. I'll show you. Okay.
I love it.
Hey. Okay. And then let's go in. We can do a social card. There's a social card. I want to show you more of the style that you asked for.
Yeah.
Okay. So like, here's your photo quote.
Oh, that's amazing.
And we could change the colors. We could, so on the photo quote, let's say we want to do a green highlight text.
Amazing.
So we still have the carousels if people want to do a carousel, but these are the ones that I've introduced that you were asking about. Now, the other thing that I think, which is interesting that we did, so this original one, we used it where it quotes your company. So somebody wanted to take these and put them on their company pages separate from their personal pages, right? So the classic one we use for companies, and then the carousels, if you add in your call to action slide, that also generates the last slide is your company information, which
beautiful. How to get in contact with you and everything.
Yeah. So here, protect your mission now. For more information, contact Cypher Intel. So on the carousel, the last one is also your company information.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Okay. So people could interchange. They want to post it on their personal page, or if they want to post it on their company page as well. Again, these are some of the new features that you can visually see.